This kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 73 of building the Infinity Gauntlet. In this issue, we're not doing very much actual building, we're prepping for the Soul Stone. So we'll get to that momentarily after we have a look through the magazine, of course. Anyway, we've got baby Thanos. Oh, isn't he cute? He's not cute. I don't think he was ever cute, Thanos. But if you want to read about baby Thanos, then feel free. That's what all this is about. Yeah. So, yes, this is what we're going to be doing. The Soul Stone, for some reason, we get the stone and the surround. And they show us how it's all going to go together next time, rather than, I don't know. But it basically just got to put the stone in there, but we don't even have to do that yet, really, because we can't do much more with it. But, yes, this is what we got. This is the 5th stone. We've got the big, that, and 2 of those. So, yeah, there's only one more stone after this one. I don't remember what that one is. I no idea. Have we got a blue one? Is there a blue one? Blue one, the Mind Stone? Is that the last one? I don't recall. Let me know in the comments if you remember which stones I've done. Looking at Elijah, the Scroll Infiltrator. Scrolls are the ones that can morph and change their appearance, aren't they? Fantastic Four there as well. There you go. Good stuff there. And Jeff is the person that we're looking at from the creation side of things. So, yeah, that's the magazine done. Let's have a quick look at the parts. It won't take very long, but we'll get that done anyway. Yes, there we go. So we've got our orangey stone. This one, that will pop into there. Already going one way around, that way around. So that's how that looks. Plain around the outside of that. Most of these seem to be a little bit more in keeping. But yeah, that's what we've got so far. We're going to be building up the rest of it and popping the batteries in and lighting it up and then fitting the surround to the gauntlet itself next time. So not much to do today, but we're prepping. We're getting ready. So I'm prepared and ready for next time. So join me for that when it's a little bit more interesting. So I shall see you for that in a couple of days. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.